Today we've got George Benson Ibanez guitar, and this had come off, so I've resoldered it, but we've got to get it in this hole here. So what I've done, I've got a piece of scrap guitar cable. I've wrapped some tape around it and push that in, make sure it's nice and tight so it's not going to come off. And then I'm just going to thread this through, so then that sticks out. Now the thing that you have to do beforehand is put the nut and the washer on the cable in the right order beforehand. So then all you have to do is just tighten that up, nip it up with some pliers, and job done.